Shanghai Ruixiao Packing Technology Company Limited, founded in 2016 with the brand name. Ruixiao is a professional manufacturer and supplier of labeling machinery and equipment located in Shanghai, China. Our factory is located workshop approximately 2,000 square meters, with 6 engineers at design and installation work, over 30 employees for service support. Strict implementation of parts processing to the product factory in accordance with CE requirement design and international quality system. Improved technology and science. Our main products: syringe labeling machine, lipstick bottom labeling machine, round bottle labeling machine, round bottle automatic positioning labeling machine, horizontal labeling machine, high-speed horizontal labeling machine, high-speed automatic labeling and feeding machine, paging labeling machine, single-side labeling machine, double-side labeling machine, carton corner labeling machine, rotary star disc positioning labeling machine, tabletop labeling machine, flat top labeling machine, conical drum labeling machine, waste sealing labeling machine, carton box labeling machine. 3-head labeling machine. Ruixiao sells more than 800 sets of labeling machines every year with market testing. And the quality is well tested. The engineer has more than 30 years of experience in the Ruixiao industry, has the overall labeling process development and customization ability, and can provide reasonable and effective labeling solutions. Long-term cooperation with Schneider, Panasonic, Japan, Omron, and other well-known brands at home and abroad to ensure the quality of equipment and the stability of system operation from the source. We promise to provide lifelong technical support, such as free replacement of vulnerable spare parts and some consumables under warranty. Use 1-year standard quality assurance (QA) warranty. Long under warranty period, some vulnerable spare parts or consumables can be served free of charge.